Welcome back to another space gas overview video. Designing or checking reinforced concrete beams and columns is quick and easy in space gas. In this video, we will take a quick look at the design of reinforced concrete beams. This building model consists of concrete frames with one-way slabs that span between them. Filters have already been defined, and so let's isolate a typical internal frame. The beams have been modelled as T-beams that incorporate the slab. The columns are rectangular. Pattern live loading has been applied in various load cases for loading all spans, alternate spans, adjacent spans, and the central span. Other load cases and combinations have also been defined. The model has already been analysed, and you can see the effect of the pattern loading on the bending moments and shear forces as we scroll through some of the load cases. Let's start by designing a beam. It's just a matter of selecting its members, right-clicking, and choosing the concrete beam module. It's as simple as that. Of course, if you're not happy with the design, or if you want to fine-tune it a bit, you can go ahead and make changes using the various input controls, such as the load cases being used, the design priorities, bar settings, bar anchorage, moment redistribution, and so on. Each time you make a change, the design is automatically updated. If you don't want this to happen, you can untick the Auto option and then click the Check or Design buttons whenever you're ready. The panel at the top shows the overall beam in 3D or 2D. The central panel lets you see envelopes of the bending moments and shear forces. It can also show the elastic, short-term, long-term, and total deflections. The cross-section panel applies to the currently selected zone and is updated whenever you change to another zone. The status line indicates if the beam has passed or failed and includes information about the critical load case, zone, utilization ratio, and governing failure mode. If you want to check a beam rather than designing it, you can just change the reinforcement to your requirements and then see if it passes or fails. A check indicator in the status line shows that it has been checked rather than designed. For safety, whenever you change the reinforcement, it is locked to guard against you inadvertently performing a design and losing your reinforcement changes. Of course, you can unlock it if you really want to revert to a design. Now let's save the beam. In the next video, we will look at column design and have a quick look at the management tool that lets you manage all your concrete beams and columns in one place.